Welcome to a world where nature meets design. Bathrooms don't have to feel cold or sterile. By adding plants, you can create a fresh and peaceful space that helps you start and end each day with calm. Let's explore beautiful bathroom ideas that prove a little greenery goes a long way. Start with something simple. A few small potted plants on your vanity or windowsill. Succulents, peace lilies, and pothos thrive in humid environments and bring a soft, natural touch to your space. If your bathroom has limited counter space, try hanging planters or wall-mounted pots. They draw the eye upward and make the room feel taller and more dynamic. Trailing plants like ivy or string of hearts create a relaxing spa-like vibe. For a modern look, place a single large plant, like a monstera or fiddle leaf fig, near your bathtub or shower corner. These statement plants instantly add texture and depth, turning an ordinary bathroom into a mini jungle. Love minimalism? Choose plants with clean lines and neutral pots to match your decor. White, beige, and stone finishes keep the look airy and serene, perfect for a Scandinavian or Japandi inspired bathroom. If your bathroom doesn't get much sunlight, don't worry. Try low light plants like ferns, snake plants, or even artificial greenery. They still add that natural feel without needing daily care. Add small design touches, bamboo shelves, natural textures, and woven baskets to enhance the organic atmosphere. When combined with plants, these materials create harmony and warmth. With the right plans, your bathroom becomes more than a functional space. It's your private retreat, fresh, calm, and alive. Which of these bathroom ideas would you try in your home? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy home inspiration.